Hello, my name is Andy Clancy, and I'm here to show you my new foam mini lazy bee kit. It's my latest design, and it's available in limited quantities at my website, www.andyclancydesigns.com. The Foamy Bee is easy to fly for beginners, yet it's responsive enough for experienced flyers to enjoy. It's quick and easy to build, and it flies just like its bigger brother, the standard lazy bee, but it's even more maneuverable and can fly in a smaller space. It's made of laser-cut sheet Depron foam and has a 28-inch wingspan. It weighs 6.5 ounces and can use motors from 30 to 50 watts. All lazy bees are very forgiving to fly, and the Foamy Bee is no different. It's inherently aerodynamically stable. When it's in trim, it flies straight and level all by itself. If you get confused, let go of the controls and it will quickly level out. The whole rudder moves, which gives it great rudder authority even when it's flying slow. The low aspect ratio wing is stall resistant and provides plenty of lift at low speeds. It has a lot of wing area for its weight, making it optimal for slow speed maneuverability. Bees can be very responsive if you use a lot of control throw. They never get boring to fly, even for skilled pilots. The Foamy Bee doesn't need much room to fly, so you can fly it close to home. The Foamy Bee forgives its pilots for making mistakes. It doesn't weigh very much and it doesn't fly very fast, so when it crashes, it doesn't hit very hard. These crashes didn't cause any damage and I was able to keep on flying. No damage? The kit comes with detailed computer-drawn plans to show both the side view and the top view of the fuselage. These are the laser-cut parts. They're very accurately cut and everything fits together well. I am very proud of how the parts in my kits fit together perfectly. The foam bee fuselage demonstrates that it fits together without any glue. This is the instruction manual. It shows a step-by-step assembly sequence and makes construction extremely easy. All the bees have a rubber band sprung landing gear which soften hard landings. Also, the motor is mounted using silicone fuel tubing as shock absorbers. I recommend and sell Drexler inflatable balloon wheels. These wheels have been made the same way since 1936. In 1936, there was no radio control to speak of, and models were flown free flight. There were a lot of hard landings. The Truxlers were designed to soften these hard landings and continue to do so today. Truxlers are available in a large variety of sizes and are very soft and lightweight. I carry all the sizes at my website. If you're interested in ordering the Foamy Lazy Bee, you can order one at my website, www.andyclancydesigns.com. Thank you for watching.